In the world of project management and small business operations, two tools often stand out: FreshBooks for its intuitive accounting and invoicing capabilities, and Microsoft Excel for its unparalleled data analysis and manipulation power. While FreshBooks excels at streamlining financial workflows, there are times when the analytical depth and custom reporting capabilities of Excel become invaluable. This is where the concept of an Excel add-in for FreshBooks comes into play. But what exactly is it, and how does it benefit a project manager or a small business owner? It's important to clarify from the outset that FreshBooks itself doesn't offer a native, first-party Excel add-in in the same way some other accounting software might. When people talk about an Excel add-in for FreshBooks, they are generally referring to third-party tools and integration methods that enable a seamless flow of data between FreshBooks and Microsoft Excel. These solutions are developed by other companies to bridge the gap and leverage the strengths of both platforms. The primary purpose of such an add-in or integration is to allow users to extract, analyze, and even modify FreshBooks data directly within Excel. Imagine you need to perform in-depth financial analysis. FreshBooks provides excellent built-in reports, but sometimes you need to slice and dice your invoicing, expense, or payment data in very specific ways that only Excel's formulas, pivot tables, and charting capabilities can provide. Create custom reports. Your stakeholders might require reports that aren't available out of the box in FreshBooks. An Excel integration allows you to pull the raw data and build reports precisely to their specifications. Bulk edit or update data. While FreshBooks is great for individual entries, if you have a large number of invoices, clients, or expenses that need similar adjustments, doing it manually can be tedious. An add-in can facilitate bulk updates from an Excel spreadsheet. Combine FreshBooks data with other data sources. You might want to correlate your FreshBooks financial data with project performance metrics from a different project management tool, marketing campaign results, or sales data from a CRM. Excel acts as the central hub for this aggregation. Automate data transfers. Instead of manually exporting CSVs from FreshBooks and importing them into Excel repeatedly, an add-in can automate this data synchronization, ensuring your Excel reports are always up to date. How do these Excel add-ins or integrations work? These third-party solutions typically connect to your FreshBooks account using its API, Application Programming Interface. Think of an API as a set of rules and protocols that allows different software applications to talk to each other. The add-in acts as an interpreter, translating FreshBooks data into a format Excel can understand and vice versa. Common types of solutions you might encounter include dedicated Excel add-ins, e.g., from DevArt, Skyvia. These are software installations that you add directly to your Microsoft Excel program. Once installed, they appear as a new tab or menu within Excel. You typically log in to your FreshBooks account through the add-in, and then you can browse and select the FreshBooks tables or data types, like invoices, clients, payments, expenses, projects you want to import. Many of these add-ins offer features like visual query builders, allowing you to select specific columns and filter data without needing to write complex code. SQL support. For more advanced users who want to write custom SQL queries to extract very precise datasets. Data refresh. A button to instantly pull the latest data from FreshBooks into your Excel workbook. Write-back capabilities. Some advanced add-ins even allow you to make changes to your data within Excel and then push those changes back to FreshBooks, which can be incredibly powerful for bulk editing. Integration platforms, e.g., Zapier, integrately while not direct Excel add-ins in the traditional sense. These cloud-based automation platforms are incredibly popular for connecting FreshBooks to Excel or Google Sheets, which functions similarly. They work by setting up zaps or automations based on triggers and actions. Trigger. An event happens in FreshBooks, e.g., new invoice created, new client added. Action. A corresponding action is performed in Excel, e.g., add new row, update row. This allows for real-time or scheduled synchronization of data, ensuring that as new information is entered into FreshBooks, it automatically populates your Excel spreadsheets for reporting or further analysis. These are great for automating repetitive data entry tasks. ODBC drivers. Some providers offer ODBC, Open database connectivity. Drivers for FreshBooks. An ODBC driver acts as a translator, allowing Excel or other reporting tools to connect to FreshBooks as if it were a standard database. This is a more technical approach but provides a very powerful and flexible way to query and report on FreshBooks data using Excel's built-in data connection tools like Power Query. Why is this important for a project management expert? As a project management expert, having access to an Excel add-in for FreshBooks or an equivalent integration significantly enhances your ability to monitor project financials closely, export invoice and expense data by project to analyze profitability, track actuals against budget, and identify cost overruns with granular detail. Optimize resource allocation. Understand which projects or clients are generating the most revenue and requiring the most expenses, helping you make informed decisions about future resource allocation. Improve client communication. Generate custom financial summaries or projections for clients based on their FreshBooks data, presenting it in a format they prefer. Forecast and plan effectively. Use historical financial data from FreshBooks, pulled into Excel, to build more accurate forecasts for future projects and cash flow. Ensure data accuracy and consistency. By automating data transfer, you reduce manual entry errors and ensure that your financial reports in Excel always reflect the latest information from FreshBooks.